Welcome to the HFT Stocks and Options Commentary. I'm Pablo Navarro. Today is Wednesday, May 8, 2013. For the volatility index, the dollar-weighted put-call ratio on the VIX, we have a neutral reading on May, June, July, and August, which are basically very spread out. We have 36%, 14%, 13%, 8%, 13% and 15% of the total premiums paid here. Overall reading was pretty neutral here, nothing important today happening on the dollar weighted put call ratio. For SPX, here we have the daily chart. We were up almost 7 handles for the day and a new all-time high for SPX here. We have been trading and going higher and higher. I think we're going to get a pullback here, but who knows where. I'm neutral and looking for a pullback. I wanted to see around this level of 1580, 1570 as a long entry again. So I'm looking here for a pullback. For the Qs, neutral on the Qs based on Apple and Google. I think they could go even higher, and we're making here a new high for the year on the Qs. So basically I'm remaining neutral here for the Qs on the sidelines. We took already a big chunk of the SPX on the beginning of the year. I don't need to go here and chase the market. On IWM, I am bearish. I continue to be bearish here. I think we're going lower. Today we're making a new all-time high. I think my target's going to be 93 and then 90. That's what I'm looking here. That's what I expect. And as you can see again today, the volume was not there. We have a very interesting day intraday. As you can see here on the 1 minute chart, what happened on the IWM, we were trading at the highs of the day, and around 2 p.m. we started drifting lower, came negative, and then again drift back higher and finished at the highs of the day. So that's important to think of what's happening intraday. Now let's go to GLD. We're bearish on GLD. We were up 1.5% for the day, but we continue to be on this very tight range for GLD. We're going to see if we're going to be able to break this previous high of 143.43, and we'll see. We'll take it from there. For SLD, I'm bearish also. I'm looking for 22. Today on SLD, we were up basically flat. We were down, and we were able to finish basically flat. Again, I'm looking for a 22 target here on the short term. Going for Apple. Apple goes ex-dividend tomorrow. So if you had the shares today, you're going to get a dividend tomorrow. You're going to get the dividend. Here we have it. We're closing above the 100-day moving average, but still below yesterday's high. I want to see a break above that high. I want to see a close above it before I commit more capital and getting bullish on Apple here. So neutral for the very short term. If we break that level, I would get in. Google. Here we have it. All-time high again. Our target was 880. We're almost there. $7 away, $4 away from that 880 level we talked about at this level. Very nice trade here. I was not in the trade. I said I was neutral, but that was the target nonetheless. I think 880 is going to be our short-term top here. I do not see it going to 900 and maybe starting a few shorts up there for a pullback. But be careful if you try to do that. This has got a very big momentum to the upside. Amazon. Here we have Amazon flat again, flirting with all its moving averages. I think we're going lower, but I'm not touching it here. Netflix. Here we were up 1 1/4, almost 1 1/4. But as you can see here, nothing happening. I'm looking for 200 as my next target on Netflix.